Hi guys, Effectual speaking. I'm back with another video, guys. Um, okay, guys. So today we're going to be making analysis on Eurusd. So without any waste of time, guys, let's just get into it and let's break down the market, guys. So as we all know that currently we are kind of changing the trend, guys. We've been on an uptrend for a very long time. We can just check the market on a weekly time frame just so we can see what was happening, on a bigger time frame, on a bigger scale. Let me just remove all this. Okay, so we can see from a bigger time frame that we had this bullish movement right here. And if you can check, guys, it was a retest, guys. Let me just zoom out a bit just so you can see exactly what's happening right here. I'm just gonna explain to you what is happening right here, right? So if you can check, guys, we had this nice M formation right here. This is a double top, right? And um every shoulder right here, because this is a shoulder, this is a shoulder, it has another double top right there. You can see we're having another nice double top formation and then retest and then boom to the downside. This is a weekly chart, by the way. So another one on the left hand side, this is a very nice double top. Someone else can say we having head and shoulders. This is a shoulder, head, shoulder, and then boom to the downside. Another one, shoulder, head, and a shoulder. And then what happened? Retest, breakout, and boom, all the way down, right? And then this is our neckline, by the way. We actually came to this level right here, and then we back to retest our neckline right here. So what that means, or what that says, is that we're definitely going all the way down to this area right here. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you're going to be looking out for sales long term, guys. Euro USD is going to be dropping like crazy. So let me just use my Fibonacci tool. Guys, when you're using Fibonacci tool, guys, you have to identify the highest point of the market and the lowest point of the market. So what you can do is that you can actually highlight them using the horizontal line right here. So this is our, you know, the last impulse move to the downside. We can see that this is the last point that actually pushed the market to the downside, and this is our low right here. So we're just gonna you know put our low right here. We can see that this is the last red candle that we had, and then right here, this is where we had that green candle. So we're just gonna use that, right? So we're now gonna use our Fibonacci to, from this high right here going to the low. Guys, we want to understand the structure of the market, what is happening right now, right? So we are actually doing everything in order for us to actually have all those confluences, right? So already, if you can check, guys, we are on a retest level, guys. If you know how to use Fibonacci, guys, is very important, and you're gonna have to use it from a bigger time frame, point of view, so you can be able to understand the market structure. You understand? So basically, if you can check, we had a nice double top formation right here, breakout um on this neckline right here. And if you can check, we're also having a very nice, to show that this is a very strong level, we're having a nice W formation right here, and then boom to the upside, right? But no problem, we'll come back to that. So if you can check, guys, we had this nice double top formation, breakout, retest. So right now it means that we actually expecting the market to drop even further more, right? But the interesting thing is that you can see that we actually came to retest along the 0.618, if you can check, and the 50%, which are the retest level, right? We actually made this analysis before, and we were saying that also, because this is a retest right here that we have, we're just gonna highlight this level right here, Let me just do this. We're going to be highlighting this levels right here, right? Let me just do this. Okay, what is happening now? Okay, let me delete that. Okay guys, so basically if you can check, this is the level of neckline in the market, right? This is the neckline that we have. And now what's going to be happening is that you're going to be um zooming in this chart right here so we can see exactly what is happening, right? So we can kind of see the similar thing that has happened in the market. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So let me just show you something right here. On this retest, guys, we can see that we had this nice triple top right here. You can see the shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right here, which is looking more or less like a fake out. It actually acted like it's breaking out of this level right here, and then it came back with the right shoulder, and then now we retested back to this level right here. So we actually had a fake out. Basically we had a fake out first. This is a secret on these levels, guys. We had a fake out first, and then the market came back to retest, on that same level right there. And then what happened? Boom, it created a very nice structure right here. And what's happening is more or less like what? Like a double top formation, and then boom, we're going all the way down to this area right now. So this is the first level that you're going to be looking out for. So what's going to be happening is that we're going to be identifying all these levels right here. And again, if we can check, let's just go to a daily time frame just so you can be able to see it proper, because on a daily time frame it's much clear, right? As you can see right here, guys, um, we can see that we had this structure right here. The market was bullish right here, guys, and what happened was that we had this very nice channel right here. I don't know what's happening right here. Okay, so we had this channel right here. As you can see, the market went all the way down, and then we tried to actually go all the way up with the market. We went all the way up, and then we were creating um impulse correction, impulse type of way, and then we came back to break out of this level right here. We came back to retest again on this level right here. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So we're going to be using our what's happening, guys? So we're going to be using our Fibonacci tool again, just so we can be able to see and understand what is happening in the market. So because of this level right here and this structure right here that we have, we can see that from this is the highest level of the market, back to the low um, of the market, which is this area right here. So if you can check very clearly, guys, is that the market came to retest the 0.618 level, and after that we created a very nice double top formation. We broke down this level right here, which is the neckline, and if you can check on the Fibonacci is the 0.5, which is 50%. We actually came to this area, we retested, and then now we're actually going all the way down, right? So I just want to show you something. I'm going to go down to a 4-hour time frame just so I can be able to show you this retest on what was happening on this level right here, right? So we can see in this market, guys, that I'm going to identify some levels right here. This currently was our highest point of the market. This is where the second touch made, and then this was, it's like a nice double top formation right here. So I'm actually identifying this level right here because this is where the market turned, right? So we can see that the market respected this area as a resistance, and then we broke it out with this big candle right here, and then we retested, and then we went all the way up to retest along this area right here to create this nice double top formation. And then what happened was that we are actually retesting the market. We created a nice W formation along this area right here. So this is the level whereby we came from this 10 right here, going to retest this area right here. So we're going to also highlight this level right here, because this is a very strong level, right? So we can see that when the market got here, we actually created a very nice fake out, and then the market came back to retest on the very same level. So basically, guys, you have to wait for fake outs. You saw even on a bigger time frame, we had a fake out. Even this one is a fake out, and then the market came back to retest on the very same level. So this will definitely help you in your trading, guys. You understand what I mean? So now we actually expecting the market to, respect this level right here where the market is right now. You understand? So I'm just gonna highlight this right here, and we can see that the market is actually respecting this area right here, and it's trying to go back to retest along, this level of resistance right here, and we might get a fake out, and then we come back, retest on the very same level, then we drop. Guys, we're only gonna enter after the fake out has happened, because sometimes you know we can actually break above this area and then retest and then continue to go all the way up. So we need to actually wait for the market to give us a fake out, then come back and retest on the very same level. Then we're going to sell immediately after that. You understand what I mean? Don't actually sell immediately when the market is on this resistance. You get what I mean? Like, if you can check, guys, we can see we broke above this area. Let me just draw it so I can show you. We actually broke out, retested, but when we retested this area, we actually broke it down, but we came back above. And then after that, what happened in the market? We came back to retest on the very same level, guys, on the very same level. And then what happened after that? Boom, to the upside. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So we just have to understand the concept that we use in the market in order for us to kill this market, guys. So let me just show you something right here. We had this very nice uptrend right here, right? And guys, this looks like a very nice channel right here. This doesn't look like a very nice channel. It is a very nice channel right here. You understand? Because now if you can check, we actually had this bullish trend right here, right? So let me just show you something right here. We can see that we had our first touch around here. This is our second touch, and then on the third touch we actually broke out, and then we came back and do a small retest right here, right? But this was a further um retest that happened right here, and it was actually the actual retest that we were waiting for, and then we still touched that level right there. You understand what I mean, guys? So if you can check, we didn't really just touch it. We actually broke it out, but still we came back inside, and then we came back to respect this level right here. So as you can see, guys, we're just gonna be expecting the market to drop even further down. This is where I actually saw it, but the crazy thing is that I didn't enter the market. You understand what I mean? I actually missed this move right here, from this area right here. You understand what I mean? This is where I actually saw it. So let me just clone this um, horizontal line right here, so I can put it to my profit target right here. Okay, I'm just gonna lock that. So this is our target that you're going to be looking out for. So we're just gonna wait for the market to do what? To go back, retest, and then break this level right here, or break, retest to this level right here, and then come back to this area right here. So we're just gonna wait for the market to see how it's going to react. And guys, we just have to react to the market, guys. We have to be patient at all times. We have to be patient at all times, guys. At all times. Don't rush the market, guys. That's why they say we don't really trade, um every day. We have to just look out for those opportunities in the market, and then we crush the market, guys. It's all about patience. Patience. Trading forex, guys, is a patient game, guys. So let's make sure that we flip those accounts if ever we're flipping with patience. You know, if you enter right here, because it's a high probability trade, we actually had a fake out retest inside, and then let me just go to a 1 hour time frame just so you can see, very nicely, because this is um a 4 hour chart, so it's not really proper. So we can see the market right here, that we actually had this nice consolidation movement right here, and then we actually respected these levels right here. So it's very important, guys, to go to bigger time frames to identify these levels, with understanding that, okay, I'm not just plotting out levels at any time. We can see on this level right here, the market created a nice W formation, and then what happened after that? The market went all the way up, guys. So now, because we broke out of this, we just had a small retest, but we need to go back to this area to give a nice retest. You understand what I mean? Then after retesting, just gonna have a fake out, come back and retest inside, and then continue to the downside and still break, because we actually, very bearish, on a bigger time frame. So if you can check, guys, we still had that nice breakout retest to this area. So this is where I actually saw the market, but I didn't enter, so it's actually a crazy one. But I'm learning also, because in trading, guys, you never stop learning, guys. You never stop learning. We continue to learn all the time, you know so making all these lessons for you guys, it's also helping me as a trader. I'm actually growing from these videos that I'm making for you guys. That is why I like making these videos for you guys. And make sure, guys, that you comment down below, and for anything that you didn't understand, make sure that you ask, and then I'll definitely try by all means to explain to you, and also to show you what I understand about the market. You understand what I'm saying, guys? These are the basics of the market. The way I actually analyze, I'm just teaching you guys the basics, because when we're getting deep into forex, into the market, we're gonna be talking about liquidity, and yo, guys, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. So I'm just giving you guys the basics, and like, if you keep it to the basics, everything's gonna be easy. I tell you, it's gonna be easy. So let's be patient, guys. So guys, that's it for me, and make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, guys. Because I know, guys, that my videos are very, very fruitful, and they're helping you guys. You understand what I mean? So more content will be coming, guys, and make sure that you keep on practicing at all times. Make sure that you practice all the time. So that's it for me, guys. I'm out, guys. Peace.